Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2010 Yamaha Stratoliner DLX. 1900 cc's, a big bore V-twin power. This really cool retro style cruiser just arrived with only 13,000 miles. Very nice condition, brand new tires. Come on by, make your big bore V-twin cruiser dreams come true with this awesome Stratoliner. Heel toe shifter, floorboards, running boards, locking side cases, only $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. You got the loud, straight pipes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.